and also potentially reoccurring clients.
Hello.
Alright, it's been a little while. I'm about to head over to go and meet a potential new client over in Cheltenham, about half an hour's drive away. This is like kind of a hotel, wedding, venue, bar type thing, and I'm hoping to get some stuff done for their Christmas event. So hopefully that'll be a nice project and also potentially reoccurring clients. So I'm gonna head over and see them and keep you updated. Yoshi, are you trying to eat the chalk? I'm so proud my son wants to follow in my footsteps. I've got to do video for design cuts. You need to leave. Because you're going to be meowing and making a noise and pulling out all the cables. Aren't you? Hello, it's been a little while and generally things have been ticking along fairly slowly. The main focus for me now is getting the last few bits wrapped up, ready to launch the chalk pack, which is going to be coming out early December. And I've also been doing my regular sort of in-house days at the pub and at the co-working space. I've also been doing a few private commissions, which I've not been able to share here. Also, I wanted to mention that this blog will be finishing at the end of the year. I'll still be doing work with Design Cuts for their products unboxing videos, and I also want to focus on producing more digital projects to sell through them. And also, with a little bit of time out from the vlog, I want to take the time to review how things have been going so far with the Cotswold Chalkboard as a business, and also take into consideration where I want to go from here, both in terms as a business and for my own creative fulfilment. This vlog's been a fantastic way to document the journey so far, and it's been amazing to get so much support from the Design Cuts community, and your feedback and comments and encouragement has been hugely invaluable. It's been, I've been really genuinely touched and quite surprised by it, so thank you so much. So over the last few episodes that'll take us through to the end of the year, you'll see the chalk pack finally getting completed and the launch for that as well. And hopefully the initial process of reviewing the business, where I want to go from here, and the first few steps into the next chapter. Oh, and a bit more of this little dude. Hello. I hope you've enjoyed this week's vlog. I'd love to hear from you, so please do share your questions and thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this week's video, please do give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to Design Cuts YouTube channel for more fantastic content. You're going to get me some more YouTube subscribers, aren't you? Yes, you are.